Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these Dollar Tree frames. The frames themselves are about 8 by 10. I start by removing all of the inserts from them. The glass cannot be removed, so I taped off the glass and painted the frame of one of them with ink colored chalk paint by Waverly. I then painted the other one and I painted the glass on that. I painted it front and back just to make sure that nothing would show through. The frame I had painted just about completely. On the back side of the frame, I am adding these snowflakes I got from Amazon, and to apply them, I'm using tacky glue, brushing it on the back of each snowflake and then placing it down. These two frames will be glued together back to back, so these are on the back and they'll be shown through the other frame. I set that aside for now. The frame with the non-painted glass on the front side, I add the stencil I got from Amazon, just taping it into place. I'm using crimson red chalk paint by Waverly and a stencil brush with a very minimal paint. And I do give that 3 coats, making sure it's dry in between each coat. I remove the stencil and then I fill in the gaps left by the stencil with a small paintbrush. Next, I'm taking these fairy lights I get from Amazon and I'm putting them on the inside part of the frame and kind of bending it and forming it into place. Once I have that form made, I take the end and wrap it around where that form ended, and then continue wrapping those around together, taking the battery pack and just wrapping that around so it stays into place. Next, I'm hot gluing the lights into the 4 corners. And I'm going to be taking the battery pack and making sure that I have enough room of that wire to fold it over to the back to glue it. Once those are glued in there, I'm taking clear grip Gorilla Glue and adding some of that to the back side of this frame. I leave some spaces in between that glue so I can add some hot glue for a quick hold. And then I place down the other frame. Again, these frames are glued back to back, so the fronts of each frame will be on either side. And then flip that over, and I'm taking one of the stand pieces that came with the frames, cutting it down because again, this is the front of one of the frames, and so it doesn't fit fully. So I trim it down, add hot glue to that, and then place that down, and then remove that little hanger from there and hot glue that battery pack on top of that. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.